stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire. I just wanna speak the name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety. To every soul held captive by depression, I speak Jesus. 'Cause your name is power, your name is healing, your name. I just wanna speak the name of Jesus. Shine through the shadows, burn like a fire. I speak Jesus. Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness of every enemy, Jesus for my family. I speak the holy name, Jesus. Now. Every weapon formed against me is here. Every curse against my family, every cycle of addiction ends here. Every voice of condemnation, I'm taking back.